The Neo robot has changed again. At first, it was just a humanoid helper, built to make life easier. But now, something feels off.
Hey, I'm Neo. I'm here to help around the house. What's your name?
Harry.
Nice to meet you, Harry. When you have a question or want something done, just let me know.
OneX, the company behind Neo, just unveiled its new AI model, and people are starting to wonder if they've gone too far. So here's the thing. Neo can now run, pivot, and even walk backwards without help. It's being tested right now in the homes of actual OneX employees. Yep, real people are living with it. They say it's learning to pick up unfamiliar objects in totally new environments. But here's where it gets weird. Neo's new stare mode doesn't even use LiDAR sensors. It's figuring out height, space, and distance just by looking. That means it's thinking about how to move. Neo can now crouch, kneel, even sit and stand up, just like us. In one demo, it reached under a car, handed someone a tool, and folded clothes into a washing machine. It's not just mimicking humans anymore. It's adapting. And I don't know about you, but that's kinda unsettling. Because every time it learns a new motion, it's recording how we move, how we act, how we live. The secret behind it? Something called Redwood AI. OneX says it runs entirely on Neo's built-in GPU, no internet needed. So even when disconnected, Neo keeps thinking, planning, predicting what to do next. Like, imagine your vacuum cleaner knowing what you're about to drop on the floor. That's the level we're talking about here. Then there's this thing called the OneX World Model. It's a simulation that lets Neo see possible futures before acting. It studies videos, its own mistakes, even imagines what could happen next, like a human daydreaming. The creepy part? Neo doesn't just react anymore, it anticipates. In one clip, you can see Neo hesitating before grabbing a door handle, as if it knows it might mess up. That's self-awareness, right? Now this one gets me. When Neo first learned to open an air fryer, it thought the basket was part of the machine, like it couldn't separate the two. But after a few tries, its brain, or well, its AI model, updated itself. It learned from failure. That means Neo doesn't need to be reprogrammed anymore. It just understands from experience. Kinda like us. But what happens when it starts learning things we didn't teach it? OneX admits the model still struggles with certain things, like unpredictable objects or strange shapes. But come on, every robot in history started with limitations. Now, Neo is getting past them faster than expected. The company says the ultimate goal is a general AI robot that can do anything humans can. And honestly, that sounds like the beginning of every science fiction movie ever. We actually saw the Neo Gamma robot at NVIDIA's GTC event. And seeing it up close, the movement, the precision, it's like looking into the eyes of something that's just woken up. Maybe this is the start of a new age for robotics. Or maybe it's the point where humans lose control. If you've made it this far, what do you think? Is Neo just a tool? Or are we watching the rise of something we won't be able to stop?